I can hang around another night.
Hey boujie besties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Miriam J. So we're back with another hair review, guys, and my last hair review, you guys saw I like played with a little bit of color. I did like this honey blonde moment, and that was like my first time really playing with color. Now I'm addicted because I was so scared. I'm so basic when it comes to hair. I'm like black and that's it, like, you know, but as you guys can see, I have another honey blonde wig in my head. This hair is by Unice Hair. Unice Hair is also sponsoring this video. Thank you to Unice. But you guys already know, sponsorship or no sponsorship, I'm gonna tell you guys the real tea because I really don't care at the end of the day. I'm just letting y'all know. This is a honey blonde 26-inch curly lace front wig. 13 by 4, 150 density. This curl pattern I would describe as like more so of a jerry curl. It's not like a water wave, it's not like a loose wave. I would honestly describe this as maybe a looser jerry curl, not like, you know, our jerry curl. This hair is a 13 by 4, pretty decent distance between the beginning of the hairline to the cap part of the hairline, if that makes sense. So you have a pretty decent like distance all around the lace. So if you want to like braid this hair, you can a little bit. If you want to do like a half up, half down, you can. This curl pattern is so pretty. So I do have some mousse in it, so it's like taming it a little, but this can get a little bigger. Like you can, if you diffuse this, you can turn it into like a cute little like afro real quick. Like not like afro, like, you know, y'all know what I mean. But I freaking love it. I did not color this hair. I literally pulled this hair out of this box like this. Like I love that it has highlights. I love that it has lowlights. This is like that kind of blonde that looks good on everyone. This is that kind of blonde that looks good on darker skin, my skin, light skin. I always recommend for people to seal their wefts when they get curly hair, just because there's a little bit more like vigorous manipulation that needs to be done to it to get it to like a nice style, you know what I mean? I did not seal my wefts, and this hair does not shed. One thing I will say about Unice hair, it's been pretty consistent because this is like my second Unice unit, but their hair doesn't shed. It's really good with the shedding. Like I barely got any shedding. Barely. So I did an unboxing and I showed the hair straight out the box. Well, as you can see here, this is the hair straight out the box. Knots are already bleached, obviously, because the hair's brown. Like you do not have to go in and bleach the knots even further. They're already bleached, as you can see. There's like combs on the sides and in the back. So I like using the combs on the side because I feel like it gives like an extra reinforcement. It has the straps in the back so you can like, you know, adjust the tightness, and you can adjust this wig to be snug. I love my wig super snug, so I always put it on the tightest. The curl pattern, it's a little looser on the root and it gets tighter towards the end, so I will say that. So I feel like it makes it more manageable. I feel like it has a low chance of getting tangled at the root, because that's actually one reason why I typically don't go for jerry curl styled hairs, because it can get like matted at the root and tangled. But that's because like the jerry curl would be so consistent from root to end. Like how tight the ends are is how tight the root would be. This is a little looser in the roots. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I highly doubt this hair will dread. I'm gonna test this hair out for 2 weeks, so I'll like, you know, keep that in mind as I'm going through these 2 weeks, you know, trying this hair out. I also really like the lace. I did tint this lace. It was very easy to work with. One thing I will say about Unice hair, their lace lays. I don't know what kind of lace this is, but it lays. Like you can't even see my lace. Like you really can't. It looks like it's like literally growing out of my scalp. It looks so cute when you like put it up. Like look how cute it is. So last night I was hanging out with my friends and I wanted to put my hair up because we were playing games, and I put it in like an ugly bun and I like let some strands out, and my friends were like, oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Like there's so many ways to wear this hair. Even like if I did like half up, half down, I feel like that'd be so freaking cute. Like just look at how cute. I freaking love this hair so much. Like I love how this wig is constructed. I love the highlights. So far, so good. We love her. So I'm gonna stand up. So I'm gonna stand up with this hair because I did that last time and everybody like was telling me that they like that, you know, I stood up. But so I am 5'4". My torso's here. So I have a short torso. I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the front and part it like down the middle, kind of ish. This is it, and then I'm gonna like pull. I'm gonna pull it. This hair is so pretty. But yeah, it's pretty long. But then again, I have a short torso. But like, as I pull it, it's like literally right at my hips. Like literally, right at the top of my hips. And then here it is all in the back. But this curl pattern, I don't know if you can, it's so pretty. Like this literally, this hair makes me feel Puerto Rican. Puerto Rican. You guys know that sound? Is that how it goes?
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair.
I'm gonna go ahead and insert my first install right here.
Day drinking to the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking to the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. You act so weird, and you know me, baby. What could I do? Hey, mean nothing. You have a girlfriend, yeah. Is she like it? Is she like it? But I'll cry, yeah. You were so kind, so kind. I feel tired, yeah. To you, to you, I've been thinking you know that maybe for me, you were so perfect, but now you are my boyfriend to have a good time. But I've been thinking you know that maybe for me, you were so perfect to have a good time. You are my boyfriend, but now you are not.
Hey guys, so it's been about like a week and a half. So we are getting really, really close to the 2-week mark. So this is my second install. So I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys like how I go to sleep. I brush this out every night with like one of these brushes. You can use like a denim brush or a wide tooth comb, but I just like to brush curly hair out. Really, you should start from the ends and work your way up, honestly. But I do like a light brush, and then I like go in on a brush at least once a week where I like, you know, actually section off parts. But I mainly focus in the back because there can be a little bit of tingling due to like, you know, just moving around in like your clothes and sweat and stuff like that. But you guys, I freaking love this hair so far. Literally everybody keeps telling me like, don't change this hair. Everybody keeps telling me like, keep this hair forever. Like, this is like your look. This hair is it. Like, my friends are even telling me like, I never want to see you in black hair again. And I'm like, that's not nice, because I was born with black hair. I'm probably giving so many people anxiety right now because of how I'm brushing this hair out, but I'm literally just doing a light brush just to prevent it from tangling. I've done it like this for a really long time, and like I've never had an issue with my wigs. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig so far. I love it. But so this wig, as you guys can see, I brushed it out. It can turn into a fro. It can turn into a fro, and it's a look, you know. For certain days, it's not a look for me, but I would rock it like this on a night out, you know. But what I have been doing, I've been invest in a spray bottle when you have curly hair. So I get a spray bottle, fill it with water only, and I just spray the hair, and I lightly, you know, dampen the hair. So it's like it's not damp, but it's lightly damped, if that makes sense. Not even dripping. It's just a little wet. It's wet. And then I go in with this Garnier Fructis Sky High Volume Mousse in number 5. And I like scrunch it through my hair. When I tell you, when you guys have curly hair, you will run through this in like a week, 2 weeks. I don't go out every day, so I kind of use this every other day when I have this hair in, and I run through this really quick. So go ahead and just buy it in bulk. Go buy it on Amazon, and then it gives you like really nice defined curls, and it doesn't afro up. When I have curly hair, I get like a silk hair tie, and then I bring everything forward, kind of roll everything. Some people do like 2 braids. I don't be having time for that. I grab, you can do a hair tie or one of these little bands. Now this band may feel loose if you have a small head, but child, I had put it on the tightest one last night and I had regretted it. Like, I really had regretted it. But I'm gonna bring this around the front because when it's in the back, it kind of annoys me. And the Velcro like pulls on my little hairs in the back, like my real hair. I'd rather it pull on the lace than my real hair. And then I do that. Did I put it on the tightest again? Let me not do that because I had such a bad headache yesterday. And then I just throw a bonnet on. Yep. And that is how I sleep. Very comfortably. And like, you know, the hair is up. It's not getting tangled. It's in a silk bonnet. Invest in an extra large shower cap so when you shower, you don't get your, you know, because a regular shower cap is not going to fit on this. Extra large shower cap, you need to go on Amazon or the Beauty Supply store. Or if you live in the hood, you can probably find it at Walgreens, Walmart. If you don't live in the hood, you ain't going to find it at Walgreens or Walmart, unfortunately. But get an extra large jumbo shower cap and it will fit your whole head. And yeah, so that is how I tie my hair at night. I'm like just gonna put my shower cap on, I'm gonna shower, I'm just gonna go to sleep. But I will check in with you guys at the 2-week mark. Hey bougies, so it's been 2 weeks since I've put this beautiful curly honey blonde hair by Unice hair in my head. And when I tell you guys, this is my second Unice review, and one thing I will say that has been consistent is non-shedding. Like the shedding is so minimal with the straight hair that I had with them, you know, like 3 weeks back, and then even this hair, which is curly. Now don't get me wrong, it sheds a little bit. It's curly hair, like, you know, you're gonna have to like detangle it. Like it doesn't shed like other curly hairs I've had in the past. It's so minimal. I love this hair so much. I get so many compliments on this hair. You guys know I did not like color this hair myself. This hair literally came like this. So there's like, you know, some highlight pieces here. Like there's just highlights throughout the hair, and I love how it's like distributed. It doesn't look like tacky or, you know, stripy. I typically go for like water waves or like Italian waves and stuff like that because I'm always so afraid of jerry curls. But I'm no longer afraid of jerry curls because the main reason I was always afraid of jerry curls was because I was always afraid of the tangling. I had this one unit in the past and it wasn't like a jerry curl type curl, and it tangled so bad. Like it literally started dreading, and I combed it out every night. Like I did not understand why it did that, but like this hair has been so divine to me. It's been amazing. I'm actually about to go to the pool, and I'm not bringing this hair with me because that pool is chlorinated, and I know chlorinated water is not really like good for like, you know, wigs. Well, I actually don't know that. I'm just not risking it because I love this wig so much. But I had to like quickly do this outro because I need to rip this off so I can go to the pool because I'm gonna learn how to swim today. I wish this hair came like in a longer length. This hair maxes at 24 inches. I wish this hair came in like a 30, 32 inch. Like I really do. One thing about Unice, they don't have like a lot of hair. They don't have a lot of units that go past like 24, 26 inches. Or they probably do and I just haven't looked, or I probably just haven't been offered anything that's longer than 24, 26 inches. I'm not sure. I typically go for anything longer than 24, 26 inches. So that's one thing I do wish this hair was. I wish it was longer just so I can, you know, whatever. The lace is so easy to work with. It just melts like butter. I do have to tint this lace, but what do you guys think of this hair? I love it so much. I really, really do. Like, I have like my swimsuit on, and another feature I wish this wig had. So I like when I have curly hair, I like pulling it up in like a cute bun. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. So I like pulling it up in like a cute, you know, messy bun. Like, isn't this a moment? Isn't this so cute, right? So I like pulling it up like this, but it's a frontal wig, so like this happens. Where you can like see my hair in the back. So I wish, like, I guess I can say I wish this was like not what's a 360 lace, or maybe like, I don't know, but I've been pinning it in the back with some bobby pins, so it hasn't been that big of a deal. But other than that, I absolutely love this wig. It's so good. I 100% recommend. But thank you again to Unice for sponsoring this video. As always, I will link everything down below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and bye.
Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. Ready for the